It's been a while. It's been a while.
Top water fish over there.
Austin. Yeah. All right, what's your guess?
I'm saying 5 even.
All right. 4.8.
Ah!
4.8.
Who cares? Still a good fish.
Yeah. So she's 20 inches.
Ah!
Come on, okay.
We'll make it look,
There you go, guys. 4 pounds, 8 ounces, 20 inches. Bye-bye, girl. Oh man, that's a good one. That's a good one. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Austin's on the board, folks. Damn right.
One hook.
One hook, man. There you go. Hold it. That hold it there. Hold it there.
This is probably the biggest bass I've ever caught on
Breaks, breaks, breaks. That's it right there, boy. That's it. Hell to the yeah. Damn right.
It's a beautiful fish.
It is a beautiful fish.
All right.
I say she's at least 21.
21 a quarter.
Oh!
No, 21 on the dot.
Oh, okay. Okay, 0 out. All zeros. Damn, you beat me by an ounce. You beat me.
Let's see, 4.9?
4.9. Hell yeah, brother. Way to go. Way to go.
Ready to go?
Huh?
Go ahead.
Okay. Oh my God, bro. 1 ounce. See you later, baby. Get bigger.
She will.
Oh. Oh. Austin. Holy. Holy.
She's huge. I only will go over there.
She got that big old head, bro.
Oh,
Oh. Holy shit.
Here it is.
Oh.
What's your guess?
I'm thinking 4.
4?
I'm trying to be on the safe side here.
How about 6'5"?
You're prototyping.
Yeah, but he's liable not to never. You won't be able to get it unless you go down on shore or store.
Hey, you want to guess the length?
She's 23.
God, if she was just a little fuller.
She's 23.
OMG. Let me get her
She's
to
24? Close?
close to
23.
Oh, 23 on the dot.
Dang right.
23 on the dot.
Happy for you.
Thanks, brother.
Good job.
There you go, guys. Woo! 6 pound,
5 ounce.
5 ounce. Thanks, brother. All right, let's let her go. See you later, girl. There you go. Oh, me. Oh, 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 dude. Oh. Oh, Jesus. You got that one? All right, I'm gonna get this line over here so I can get the bait. Oh, man. Dude, I'm shaking. I thought I lost her. I said, man, that must be grass. So I let go of the pressure, and then the line got taut.
I seen you set the hook the first time. And
yeah.
Nothing, and you thought it was grass.
Yeah, I thought it was grass, so I just kind of eased off the pressure. Yeah, it kind of wrapped around there, huh?
Yeah, it did.
If you need to, there you go. Okay. All right. Drop her in the damn water now, and then this thing gives out. All right, you're good? You're good? Yep.
What?
I don't know yet. Just pulled her out of the water. All right. Donkey leash off. Scale. Scale is zeroed out. Four. All right, guess the length.
21.
On the dot, dude. On the dot. 21 on the dot. Oh! 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 She ain't coming up. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, a big ass shad, dude. Yeah, dude. I thought it was a small bass. Come check this out. That is one of the biggest shads I have ever seen. Right?
Oh crap, that's a big ass shit.
Right?
That's a big ass shit.
Right? Who wants bait? I cannot believe the size of that damn shad. Lord. Thank you, Austin. That I mean, damn. I haven't been on this damn kayak in over, well, last time I was with you. Yeah. All right, let me take a selfie with you here while we're a little obligatory out of the water picture for Crystal and the grams. Rotate. All right, there we go.